Hey there, audiophiles. Facing issues with your Anker sound devices, it can be incredibly frustrating when your sound system isn't performing up to par. Rest assured, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix an Anker sound problem step by step so you can get back to enjoying great audio. Step 1. Check physical connections. Before diving into any complex fixes, start with the basics, your connections. Ensure your Anker device is securely connected to your audio source. For wired devices, check for any damage to cables or connectors. Make sure everything is plugged in correctly and is free of debris. For Bluetooth connections, make sure you've paired your device correctly by going into your phone or computer's Bluetooth settings and selecting your Anker device. Step 2. Update firmware and software. One of the most overlooked solutions involves updates. Make sure your Anker device has the latest firmware installed. Visit Anker's official website or app to check for available updates. Additionally, check that your media player software, whether it be on your smartphone or computer, is up to date. Step 3. Tweak audio settings. Incorrect audio settings can often lead to sound issues. Navigate to your device's audio or sound settings and ensure that the output is set correctly. Adjust the volume settings, balance, and equalizer to see if any changes improve the sound quality. Sometimes switching the audio output mode can make a substantial difference. Step 4. Troubleshoot Bluetooth connection. For Bluetooth Anker devices, connection hiccups are not uncommon. If you're experiencing intermittent sound or complete disconnection, try to reset your Bluetooth connection. First, unpair the device from your audio source, then restart both your Anker device and the audio source. Try pairing them again and check if the issue persists. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If the above steps don't solve your issue, consider performing a factory reset on your Anker device. This can often resolve any software-related bugs or glitches causing sound problems. Refer to your user manual for instructions on how to perform a factory reset specific to your device model. Step 6. Contact customer support. If all else fails, it may be time to reach out to Anker's customer support. Seek assistance by explaining the issue in detail and mentioning all the steps that you have tried. They might have additional insights or could arrange for repairs if your device is still under warranty. Fixing an Anker sound problem doesn't have to be complicated. By following these straightforward steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve common sound issues effectively. From checking connections and updates to mastering Bluetooth troubleshooting and considering a factory reset, these tips will help you get your audio back on track. Remember, if none of these solutions work, Anker's customer service is just a call away. Prioritize identifying the root cause, and you'll maximize your chances of restoring your device to its optimal performance. Happy listening.